just an average girl, she always wore a smile. She was cheerful and happy for a short while. Now she's older, things are getting colder. Life's not what she thought, she wished someone had told her. She told you she was down and you let it slip by. So from then on she kept it on the inside. She told herself she was alright, but she was telling white lies. Can't you tell? Look at her dull eyes. Tried to stop herself from crying almost every night, but she knew there was no chance of feeling alright. Summer came by, all she wore was long sleeves, cause those cuts on her wrist were bleeding through, you see. She knew she was depressed, didn't want to admit it. Didn't think she did it, everyone seemed to miss it. She carried on like a soldier with a battle wound, bleeding out from every cut her body consumed. She had no friends at school, all alone she was sad, and if someone were to notice she would blame the cat. But those cuts on her wrist, they were no mistake, but no one cared enough to save her from the self-hate. Things were going down, never really up, and here she is now, stuck in this stupid rut. She knew exactly what she had to do next. She sat on the chair and tied the rope around her neck. She wrote a letter with her hand shaking wild. Look at me now when you're proud of your precious child. But she knew that her parents weren't the ones to blame. It was the world that should bow down its head in shame. She stood up on the chair and looked out at the moon, just to think it'll all be over soon. The chair fell down as she took her final breath. It's all over, all gone, now she's greeting death. Her mom walks in, she falls down to the floor, and now nothing can take back what she just saw. The little girl that she raised is just hanging there. Her body's pale and her face is violently bare. She sees the note and unfolds it with care. All she does is stare, how can this be fair? She starts reading as the tears roll down her face. I'm sorry mom, but this world is just not my place. I've tried for so long to fix this and fit in. I've come to realize this world's full of sin. There's nothing for me here, I'm just a waste of space. I've got no reason to stay here with this awful race. It's a disgrace, I was misplaced, born in the wrong time and in the wrong place. It's okay though, cause you'll see me soon. You'll know when your time has come, just look at the moon as it shines bright throughout the night. And remember, everyone's facing their own fight, but I can't deal with the pain, I'm not a fighter. You make it through the night, just hug your pillow tighter. So let the world know that I died in vain, cause the world around me is the one to blame. And I know in a year you'll forget I'm gone, cause I'm not really something to be dwelled on. It's what they used to tell me, all those kids at school, so I'm going by the law, majority rules. My presence on this earth is not needed any longer, and if anything, I hope this makes you stronger. You're the best friend that I ever had, such a shame I had to make you so very sad. But just remember that you meant everything to me, and to my heart you're the